Be playing some Blue One today. Someone's looking at the door. I'm walking through the downside. Hold. I think something is trying to kill me. Oh, I put it in hard mode. That's why it's like this. So now it's gonna freaking out. Oh my gosh. Yo. Pull the gun out. Pull the gun. Where's the gun? Are you trying to kill me? Aren't these fan arts or something? Holy fan arts. Hello. I feel like... Oh, holy fan art. What the heck? Mackie B, bro. Really think you can... Bro, I found you already. That's like the worst hiding spot. What do you even get a bomb? Holy lag, bro. You can just put that out, though. Dude, that's like the worst hiding spot. Dude, I can see your